together on the 8th.
Alright,
Radio 780 WBB.
we're leaving Six Flags Great America.
Go
right, or 94 go left.
We're back. Mainly clear tonight, low 56.
And yeah, we're 39. And stay with Steven's first trip in 5 years. How was it, Steve?
Oh, very good.
What was your favorite?
I enjoyed myself.
You did?
Partly sunny on Monday, high 74.
I told him that he would enjoy himself, but
on Wednesday, sunshine.
he was a little nervous. He hasn't been here. It's pretty new. He loved it. We didn't get the flash or nothing. It was dead. We got the first train on Raging Bull. We were front row. And the last train, I videotaped the first train, but my phone was deleted because someone called.
He's right. It
was bullshit. So yeah, and I filmed the last train, but I made sure no one called. So yeah, but yeah, low crowd. It rained, but from like 10 like 1 or 2 was like walk on, and from like 2 to 8 it was like a little packed 30 minutes or less, and from 8 to 9 it was dead. So yeah, so would you come back, Steve?
I would definitely.
You think it was fun?
I was.
Yeah, he had a fun time, and we didn't get flashed, like I said, it was dead. And I saved him $20 for parking.
Yeah.
I show you. What's this? Is that the window though?
Yeah, I was just kind of cold.
Oh, sorry. Oh yeah, so yeah, that was our trip conclusion.
94 west.
No, we're keep going. This is Milwaukee. We're on Milwaukee. Yeah, we had a great time.
94 west. It would be west.
We're going this way. We're gonna take this to Belvedere. And yeah. So yeah, he had a great. Oh, he did a giant drop. Do you like that, Dave?
Yeah, that was okay. I wouldn't wait very long for it.
Same here. It's okay. Then he did the wolf twice, and we ran into my YouTube buddy, friend James. We hung out with him practically all day. Not from like 2 to 10. So I called him in Raging Bull line, like, yo, what's up? And yeah, we hung out. And Steve met James, and yeah, so he said it was pretty cool.
Yeah, he was a cool guy.
So yeah, hi James, if you're watching this, hi. Yeah. But anyway, it was our trip conclusion about Six Flags Great America. I'll probably be back tomorrow. Yeah, call me crazy, but I'll probably be back tomorrow. And yeah, and maybe the 18th if they're open. And yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. But yeah, so shit. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we had a fun time, and yeah. So I want to have a great night and Six Flags Day, and I love you, Alexa. Yeah.